Now I discuss dispersion of prism. What is the meaning of dispersion? Today I am going to discuss. Okay? In the situation, this is the prism lana. Look here. This is the prism lana. In the prism, this is the normal. Normal means perpendicular to given surface. In the situation, this is the light ray now. Light ray. This light ray is nothing but the light ray is nothing but the white light. Okay? Here now, this light ray is nothing but the white light. White light fall on the prism. Okay? This is called angle of incidence. The angle of incidence means angle between incident ray and normal. This is called angle of incidence. Here actually this is the white light. Because of prism, yesterday I discussed, it bends towards the base. This white light split into 7 colors. This phenomena is called dispersion. Okay? ఎందుకు ఏంటని చెప్తాను, తొందరపడద్దు. White light fall on the prism. It split into 7 colors. Vijaya. This phenomena is called dispersion. Okay, Nana? In the situation, why here different colors deviate different? Yesterday I discussed thin prism. Thin prism angle of deviation formula is mu minus 1 into A. Okay? The angle of deviation formula is mu minus 1 into A. SSR discussed lens maker's formula. Lens maker's formula 1 by F is mu minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Simply mu minus 1 inversely proportional to focal length. Look here all of it. లేకపోతే ఇంకో పని చేయొచ్చు. లెన్స్ మేకర్ ఫార్ములా వదిలి లింది అవుతుంది. ఇంకోటి చెప్తా. Refractive index definition is velocity of light in vacuum by velocity of light in medium. Simply mu inversely proportional to V. Chemistry V ante n lambda. Simply refractive index inversely proportional to wavelength. Here look here, delta. Here mu inversely proportional to lambda. Simply angle of deviation inversely proportional to wavelength. Refractive index definition ఏంటి? Velocity of light in vacuum by velocity of light in medium. In the chapter V formula n lambda. Simply angle of deviation inversely proportional to wavelength. We know that Vijaya spectrum. Vijaya. In the Vijaya, look here now. Violet wavelength is 3800 Armstrong. Red wavelength is 7800 Armstrong. Look here all of you. Violet wavelength is 3800 Armstrong. red wavelength is 7800 angstrom. In the situation, different colors have different wavelengths. Different wavelengths, different deviations. That's why white light split. Here, look here. More wavelength, less deviate. In the colors, which color have more wavelength? Red. Red color have less deviate. This is the angle of deviation of the red. Okay. Here, which color have less wavelength? Violet or indigo or blue. Okay. In the situation, that is more deviation. Here, which color have less deviate? Red. Which color have more deviate? Violet. What is the definition of dispersion of light? White light fall on the prism. It split into 7 colors. 7 colors. This phenomena is called dispersion. Why here dispersion occur? Because angle of deviation inversely proportional to wavelength. Vijaya, different colors have different wavelengths. That's why different deviations occur. That's why, Anna, this paina color enti red, next enti orange, next enti yellow, last came osadi violet. Okay? Here, Nana, red, violet. Here, which color have more deviate? Violet. Which color have less deviate? Red. Look here, all. The angular dispersion. This is denoted by theta. This is the prism, Nana. White light fall on the prism. In this situation, this is the red, last color is violet, between the color is yellow. Okay? Here now. Here, angular dispersion is defined as angle of deviation between any two colors. Once again I repeat. The difference between angle of deviation between any two colors. I take red and violet. Here, which is more deviate? Violet. Which is less deviate? Red. That's why here write delta V minus delta R. What is the definition of angular dispersion? It is denoted by theta, the difference between angle of deviation of violet color, angle of deviation and angle of deviation between two colors. I take violet and red. You can choose any two colors. But in the for thin prism, delta formula mu minus 1 into A. Here substitute theta write as delta V violet color mu V minus 1 into A. Difference delta R write as mu R minus 1 into A. In the right side, which will be common, theta equal to, here A will be common into, look here, mu V minus 1 minus mu R minus of minus plus 1. 1 cancel. Finally, angular dispersion. Other formula is, look here now, mu E minus mu R into A. This is the formula for angular dispersion. What is the formula for angular dispersion? Theta equal to mu v minus mu r into a. What is the first formula? Delta v minus delta r over angle of deviation of any two colors. According to this formula, theta depends upon the mu. For example, air ki mu value 1, glass ki mu value 1.5, diamond ki 2.5. Simply, mu depends upon the nature of the material. So, theta also depends on first point, nature of the material. Nature of the material. First one completed. Second one, theta also depends upon the A. A means angle of prism. Its other name is refracting angle. Simply, angle of angular dispersion depends on nature of the material and angle of prism. Angle of prism. English language class room. English by Sanskrit time table pedtaru. Must and should attend avvali. White light fall on the prism. It split into 7 colors. Here the ability or capacity of the prism to disperse the light. Ability or capacity of the prism. Ability or capacity of the prism to disperse the light. Ability or capacity of the prism to disperse the light. This capacity or ability of the prism is called dispersive power. Today I discuss dispersive power denoted by omega. Here this omega mathematically defined as angular dispersion by mean deviation. Omega defined as ratio of angular dispersion by mean deviation. Okay, Nana? We know that angular dispersion first formula. Look here, delta V minus delta R. Okay, any two colors by mean deviation write as these two colors deviation. Mean means average, Nana. Average means both are add whole by 2. Any doubt, Nana? Look here. What is the omega mathematical definition? Angular dispersion by mean deviation. Okay, look here now. Okay, Nana? Look here. In the situation, neatly write as delta V minus delta R with GR. Mean color we get delta Y. This is the most important formula to solve the problems. Equation 1. In the situation, delta V, we know that. Look here, all of it. Delta means mu minus 1 into A. Thin prism. Mu V minus 1 into A minus. Tell me neatly. Mu R minus 1 into A whole by delta Y write as mu Y minus 1 into A. అర్థమవుతుందా? డెల్టా ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ mu minus 1 into a. Here omega मैसे కదా మీరు minus a plus a cancel. Finally ना लाते a కామన్ తీసేయండి, a cancel. పైన ఏమైందో చూడండి, mu v minus mu r. ఎందుకు సార్ అంటే this minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 cancel whole by in the denominator look here mu I minus mu 1. This is the another formula for dispersive power. Another formula for dispersive power. Okay na? What is the dispersive power? The ability or capacity of the prism to disperse the light. What is the first formula for omega? Omega first formula is delta v minus delta r by delta y. Okay, here now books తీసుకెళ్ళనా వివో. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో మాట్లాడదాం, నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ గుర్తు చేయకుండా వివో. ఓకే, look here, omega other formula in terms of mu v minus mu r by mu y minus 1. In the situation omega depends on mu. Mu means omega depends on nature of material. Nature of material. Omega depends on nature of the material. Okay, look here all of you. Look here all of you. For example, I take solar spectrum. In the solar spectrum, according to Fraunhofer, C, D, F lines are observed. In our language, C is nothing but the red color, D is nothing but the yellow color, F is nothing but the violet color. Here equation 2 substitute. Equation 2, what is the formula for omega? Dispersive power in terms of solar spectrum. Mu v write as mu f, mu r write as mu c whole by mu d minus 1. What is the dispersive power formula in solar spectrum? Mu f minus mu c whole by mu d minus 1. Mu d minus 1. Look here. Omega formula. Once again I repeat. Omega formula. What is the omega formula? Delta V minus delta r by delta v plus delta r by 2. Delta and angle of deviation. This right in terms of focal length. మరి ఒమేగాకి ఇంకొక ఫార్ములా ఏదో వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడే గుర్తుందా? mu v minus mu r whole by గుర్తుందా? ఇక్కడ ఏమొచ్చిందో mu y minus 1. లేకపోతే ఒక పని చేద్దాం, ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఒక పని చేద్దాం. డెల్టా అంటే ఫార్ములా మీరే చెప్పండి, ఇంకెందుకు. థిన్ ప్రిజంకి mu minus 1 into a. ఇంతకు ముందు చెప్పాను. SSR చెప్పింది ఏంటి? లెన్స్ ఫార్ములా. లెన్స్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద ప్రిజం. 1/f ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ mu minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Here mu minus 1 write as 1 by F. Simply delta and F universally. Mu minus 1 write as 1 by F. Simply deviation and focal length is inversely. Simply here substitute. Look here now. Delta V. Chapali Bangaru Kondalu 1 by FV. Delta R 1 by FR whole by. Look here. Here 1 by 2 common. Delta V. Tell me. FV 1 by FV. Delta R 1 by FR. Here F indicate focal length. Right side, look here now. Here LCM raste FR minus FV whole by FV FR in the denominator. Mira Japan 1 by 2 into terminal. Here what is the LCM? FV FR. ఇక్కడ ఏమైందో చెప్పాలి. FR plus FV whole by 2. FV FR cancel. Finally to write, look here, FR minus FV whole by FR plus FV by 2. Simply violet ki red ki between color ఏంటి చెప్తే మనం yellow. That's why this is Fy. This is the dispersive power formula in terms of focal length. In terms of focal length. Please write. Very important formula. Please write. On the prism, what happens? White light fall on the prism. What happens? Here it is split into 7 colors. In the situation, dispersion occur. Once again I repeat. In the situation, dispersion occur. Split into 7 colors. In the same situation, angle between incident ray and emergent ray, this is called angle of deviation. Simply, single prism produces dispersion and deviation. Single prism produces both dispersion and deviation. But the combination of prisms produce only dispersion or only deviation. In the situation, I take first condition. Look here, all of you. The question is dispersion without deviation or deviation. That is what discuss cheyadam. Deviation without dispersion. This is the condition. Look here, all of you. Deviation without dispersion. In the situation, I take 2 prisms, both are inverted. Look here now. This angle of prism is A. This angle of prism is A dash. 2 prisms made of different materials. Its refractive index is mu. Its refractive index is mu dash. Here how many prisms are there? 2 prisms. These 2 prisms are arranged inverted to each other. Actually, single prism produce both deviation and dispersion. But combination of prisms produce only deviation without dispersion. Look here, all of you. This is the white light. Fall on the prism. In the situation, in the situation, look here, white light fall on the prism. In the situation, this white light split into how many colors? 7 colors. Which color have less deviate? Red. Which color have more deviate? Violet. Okay, Nana? Because deviation and wavelength inversely proportional. Look here. Nana, this light bends towards the base. Here base is there. That's why, look here, all of it. Okay? This color is red. This color is violet. Here both are matched. Coming out white light. White light fall on the prism. White light comes out. Simply without dispersion. Simply dispersion becomes 0. But this is the incident ray. This is the emergent ray. Here some angle is present. Simply deviation is present. Dispersion becomes 0. In the situation, total dispersion is what? 0. Simply dispersion of the first prism plus dispersion of the second prism, both are equal to 0. Because in the situation, both our prisms are inverted to each other. Okay, theta 1 equal to theta 2. Theta 1 equal to, look here, theta 2. We know that omega definition, angular dispersion by mean deviation. Here write simply theta 1 by delta 1 equal to theta 2 by delta 2. Sorry sir. Sorry na, very sorry. Theta ante emaiti konda omega delta. Cheppali fast ga. Omega 1 delta 1 equal to omega 2 delta 2. This formula is very useful to solve the problem. Look here. Write down. When the condition, look here all of you now. This is the two prisms now. First prism, second prism. Both are arranged inverted to each other. White light fall on the prism, split into 7 colors. In the situation, incident ray, emergent ray, all are parallel. Simply here deviation becomes 0 degrees. But this is the white light. Here white light split into 7 colors. Simply here dispersion, angular dispersion not equal to 0. That is the heading. In the situation, deviation 0 means deviation of the first prism, deviation of the second prism equal to 0. Both are arranged inward, so that's why we take minus. Simply delta 1 equal to delta 2. We know the dispersive power definition, theta by delta. What is the delta formula? Theta by omega. Theta 1 by omega 1 equal to theta 2 by omega 2. This formula is very useful to solve the problems. Here this formula, when applicable, the question keyword is dispersion present without deviation. That is the question. Look here.